Hi everyone! It's been such a long time, I know, but I'm back. And today we're gonna cook a very famous dish in my hometown, Hunan, which is called stir-fried pork with green peppers, 农家小炒肉. Let's get started.
I would highly recommend if you can find this kind of long green cayenne, and if you can't find in your local store or Asian grocery market, I would just go for the green Anaheim. So you can choose to leave the season or take it out, depending on how spicy you want it to be. And I'm gonna take this out. And then cut them into pieces. And then we slice the pork. For pork, I choose to use the pork shoulder roast. Now let's slice the pork into pieces. So I use about a little bit more than a half pound of the pork shoulder roast. And then we add the starch on the pork. Trying to massage it a little bit. Then we slice the ginger and peel the garlic. And cut into big chunks. We turn on high heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Wait a little bit for it to heat up. Time to put the green pepper. You will want to cook it until, like, you can see the skin of the green pepper has a little bit white-ish color, or even a tiny little bit brown. Turn on high heat again. You want to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Garlic here, and then you put in the pork. Now when the pork is almost well cooked, you add the green pepper. Now you can add the salt, 1 tablespoon of the white pepper, and the garlic butter. Mix well and stir fry for a little bit time. Oh my god, this smells so good. Now we turn off the heat. I will highly recommend you to enjoy this dish together with rice. You will love it. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and